Hi guys, good morning. This is Coach GN and today turuan ko kayo paano mag-install ng SafeFile wallet. So click lang sa Google Play, search SafeFile and install. Once install, then click mo po yung open. Okay? Once nandito na kayo sa SafeFile, create lang kayo ng wallet. Create your security password, always remember, and then ulitin nyo lang, tapos start. Click software wallet, create wallet, and then enter your password again. Then create your name for your wallet, then continue. Okay, wallet is created. Back up your wallet. Okay, picturean nyo or isulat nyo, itago nyo to, i-email nyo sa inyo, sa sarili nyo, or sa messenger. And then sundin nyo lang yung 12 words na nakalagay dyan, tapos verify nyo lang. Tago nyo to kasi in case mawala yung cellphone nyo, ito yung magiging access or password nyo. Okay, ngayon nandito na tayo sa wallet. Ang gagawin natin, papalitan natin yung network N2 OPBNB. Click lang yung plus sign, check na, tapos yan, meron na tayong BNB OP. Now next is kailangan natin ng USDT. Click lang manage coins, then maraming USDT, BIP20, Polygon, URC, and piliin natin is yung OPBNB. Click enable, and then bam, meron na tayong USDT, meron na tayong BNB. Next ay kailangan natin i-fund yung ating account for us to be able to makapag-activate tayo ng account dito kay Ride VNB or Multigain. Okay, this is a smart contract, pareha sila. Okay, fund your account, and then yun, mas maganda gamitin itong SafeFile. Mas maraming options, meron siyang swap, buy, trade, exchange, and user friendly, very safe, and very secure and easy to use. Okay, to receive your USDT and BNB, click nyo lang po yung receive, and then yun, kopyahin nyo or picture nyo yung QR code. That's all. Follow me and message me if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out. I'm here to guide you through every steps of the process. Thank you.